Hello everyone, once again, we are with you, and that too with an amazing episode of Teen Wolf. So let's take a look at what are these amazing people doing today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Scott, played by Tyler Posey. Tyler Garcia Posey is an American actor and musician. He was born on October 18, 1991, in Santa Monica, California, United States. Tyler Posey is currently dating femme Liv Marsico. Lydia, played by Holland Roden. Holland Roden is an American actress and producer. She was born on October 7, 1986, in Dallas, Texas, United States. According to our records, Holland Roden is currently single. Styles, played by Dylan O'Brien. Dylan Rhodes O'Brien is an American actor. He was born on August 26, 1991, in New York, United States. According to some rumors, Dylan O'Brien is currently dating Sabrina Carpenter. Derek, played by Tyler Hoechlin. Tyler Lee Hoechlin is an American actor. He was born on September 11, 1987, in Corona, California, United States. According to our records, Tyler Hoechlin is possibly single. Malia, played by Shelley Hennig. Shelley Catherine Hennig is an American actress and model. She was born on January 2, 1987, in Metairie, Louisiana, United States. At this time, it appears Shelley Hennig is likely single. Liam, played by Dylan Sprayberry. Dylan Muse Sprayberry is an American actor. He was born on July 7, 1998, in Houston, Texas, United States. According to our records, Dylan Sprayberry is currently single. Allison, played by Crystal Reed. Crystal Marie Reed is an American actress. She was born on February 6, 1985, in Detroit, Michigan, United States. According to our records, Crystal Reed is possibly single. Kira, played by Arden Cho. Arden Lim Cho is an American actress, singer and model. She was born on August 16, 1985, in Amarillo, Texas, United States. Arden Cho is currently dating American rapper Juno Flo. Cora, played by Adelaide Kane. Adelaide Victoria Kane is an Australian actress and model. She was born on August 9, 1990, in Perth, Australia. Adelaide Kane is currently dating Martha Wertman. Kate, played by Jill Wagner. Jill Suzanne Wagner is an American actress and television personality. She was born on January 13, 1979, in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, United States. Jill Wagner is currently married to David Lemanowicz, and they have 2 kids. Braden, played by Megan Tandy. Megan Yvonne Tandy is an American actress and model. She was born on May 3, 1985, in Fremont, California, United States. According to our records, Megan Tandy is currently single.